Here we have our RCM flow gauge with the reed switch option 1S2. We will calibrate the set point of the reed switch from our original factory setting, which is 30% of the full-scale flow rate. We will first establish this flow rate at 60% of the full-scale flow rate, which is, in this case, 6 GPM. Grab the reed switch and slide the reed switch from left to right until the LED light just comes on. As you can see, we have set the reed switch now to make or break the contacts at 60% of the full-scale flow rate. We'll now tighten the screws to secure the switch. Cycle several times to be sure that the set point has not changed.